I can see why there's a lot of VR6 fanboys, man. That is a different experience. You just can't help but laugh or smile. Right folks, so welcome back to another video. I'm back again, regular uploads. I did promise you I am going to make videos consistently now. I'm sitting in the R32. We're going to take on a first drive today. Edition 30 sitting there nicely. I'm going to give you guys a little cold start on this thing. I have parked it under a tree though, so it's covered in these little weird, I don't even know what they're called. Someone can advise. Right, here's the key. Well, it was here. I know this logo looks a bit, well, it's actually got a logo for once. Normally Mark 5s, whenever I buy them, this logo's disappeared. But yeah, cold start time. I've noticed this makes a whirring noise on the first start up in the morning. Probably hear it now. VR6 life, man. Let's get the sunroof open. There's probably a bunch of crap gonna fall in, or not. All of this covered. See this whirring noise? It happens on the first start up, but sounds like a vacuum cleaner. You turn it back on, gone. Nice and smooth. Edition 30 still here. Something about this car, man, it's definitely my favorite. It is running a bit rough at the moment in terms of the cold start, but gotta wait till it gets booked in really. But yeah, the R32. Apologies if there's leaves on top of my head, they're just falling like crazy right now. But yeah, let's take this thing on a first drive on some back roads. I don't like going to the too narrow ones anymore, and see what the R32 is about. It does sound very good when you're under full sort of load. Perhaps a bit too loud for me, but we'll get to all of that. I am going to get it up on a ramp this coming week. But yeah, if you do enjoy this kind of content, make sure you go down and hit subscribe. I'm going to have loads of Volkswagen Group cars coming. It's not going to just be Mark 5s forever. I can't promise you that, guys. I thought I'd do an R32 for a few weeks, just to get the channel kick started. It's been like 3-4 months, there's like no content, so folks, so here we are in the R32. I've got the GoPro set up. There's going to be a lot of noise in this video. Actually, that's not bad, you know. Obviously, the main thing that people go on about with these is that they're very expensive to run, but they don't actually give you the performance to back it up. Okay, because I've had a lot of GTIs, I can say that a mapped GTI is a lot nippier than one of these, even the standard KO3 one. KO4 is a different story, differently to this. Of course you can, with a little bang there. Of course you can do forced induction on the R32, but it's really costly. You're looking at probably 10 to 20 grand to do it properly. But yeah, my goal with this car is just get it shooting flames, just make it kind of annoying. But it's weird, like when I had this plan in my head, I was like, yeah, I'll make an R32 and it make it really obnoxious. Now that I've got one, I'm like, do I, you know, like I'll be driving it around, I'm like, you know what, this makes me look a bit silly, even with just one silencer cut out. See how it gets out of here. I'm gonna knock it back to first because I want to get some acceleration. Cow dung on the road. See if there's no one here, I don't want to. This is a good car for YouTube, this is. You don't have to incriminate yourself much. It just makes loads of noise. I remember once I downshifted a pre-facelift RS3 past this house. That was me when I was a couple of years younger. See what I mean? At least just touch the gas and it's so loud. What a noise though, what a noise. You can definitely feel the Haldex on this. I'm so used to driving front wheel drive Mark 5s. It definitely does hunker down. It's a very safe car. This one does have a few alignment issues, let's say, which I'm going to go over in the ramp video. In terms of speed, guys, now for those of you who haven't driven an R32 and you've got a GTI, of course on the forums everyone's like R32s are really slow. They are relatively slow for 2020, of course, but I was surprised getting into it. Obviously it's heavy, but it doesn't feel like a complete like slug that it doesn't go anywhere. You get a bit of a throwback, but nothing much. It feels like what it is, 247 bhp NA. It doesn't feel anything more than that. Clutch sometimes snaps, but overall very tight. Gearbox and everything has been rebuilt as far as I know. DSG would have been nice, but I'm glad that I'm doing a manual one because it just makes a change. I reckon it probably makes these feel a bit more engaging because, as I said, it's not the most violently accelerating car. So if you had DSG, it'd feel even more kind of seamless. But at least with this, I'm doing something. Especially when the shift is really good. Right, so this is full acceleration on R32. I'll put you to see the sport and the sound. Right, ready? It's not bad, you know. That is not bad. But what a sound! Ever broke the speed limit on this road. I'm not even lying to you guys. What, like, it feels like you're doing like 200 miles an hour in this thing. So that's the beauty of this thing. I have to keep saying this thing, but this sound takes over. It's a very fun car, man. It is fun. I do get the appeal. See, something like my grey GTI, once it was KO4 and Stage 2 Plus and that, it became quite a serious car. I know it sounds weird, but believe me, that thing used to, the way it used to gain pace was like, you'd have to get ready. But like this, second gear, foot to the floor. And you're still alright, like you're not gonna go to jail. I don't even know what to say anymore, to be honest. Sometimes you're driving along and the sound gets even louder. It's like a slow revving GTR. Can't help but laugh or smile. It's just screaming. Rev matching. Just go slowly around this. Still getting used to it all again. What car makes that much noise up to 30 miles an hour? It's ridiculous. Noise machine. Alright folks, so that was the first drive video on the R32. I hope you enjoyed it. I am going to be doing a few more bits to the car. There'll be plenty of content coming, so make sure you are subscribed for all of that. Plan is to get shooting some flames, mapped, all that good stuff. And yeah, just see what the R32 can do. There is a limit to how much I will go with this one. I bought it as a bit of fun, maybe it's for a month or two. And just enjoy the sound basically. So we're going to amplify that. Make sure you drop me a follow on Instagram as well. There'll be plenty of content in between the sort of videos and also give you a little sneak peek of what's going on. And yeah guys, take care and I'll see you in the next video.